Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to show you a really great way how you can go ahead and get paid to review books. But not only review books, you actually get to keep the book as well. So if you like reading books and earning money, then you're going to love today's video. Now before we jump into that and I show you the site and how you can go ahead and use this, if this is the first time you're on the channel, my name is Mark, welcome. This here is one of my blogs, Not Taught at School. Now this is all geared around earning money online and working from home. So if you're interested in making money and working from home, then if you go over here to my blog, and don't worry, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You see here on the right hand side I've got a members area. If you scroll down here and put in your name and your email, you'll get instant access to my members area. You can see on here we've got ebooks, courses, guides and more, and simply once you put your name and email in, you'll get free instant access to that, and you can go ahead and download and have a look at the different courses in there. We've got eBay courses, we've got Amazon courses, we've got Teespring courses and some other cool stuff in there. So if you're interested in earning money online, definitely go and check out those free resources. So let's jump into today's video. So today we're talking about this site here called onlinebookclub.org. Now this is absolutely free to get started with, and this site is pretty huge. If you just scroll down here, so you can see here, it's a free site for readers. They've been around for over 10 years. Now they've got over 900,000 members, coming up to close to 1 million members. Now some of the different things that they have on here, if I just scroll down here, oh hang on, let me just scroll up here, sorry. If I go to here, you can see they have a Twitter rewards dashboard, they have free daily $20 giveaway, they have book quotes, they have, where's the other one gone? I've seen they've got a huge, oh it's here, sorry, they've got a huge forum which is very popular, and you can go through all these subcategories here and have a look at the different forums, and then they've got bookshelves and review. Anything to do with books basically that is on this site. It's absolutely huge, it really is, and you can go through and there's recent book reviews and other cool bits to do with book reviews and what people are finding interesting in which books, etc, etc. So this is all great, but how do we make money with this? So if we click on here, let me just show you this here. So this here is the get paid to review books completely free. Now I'm going to highlight this here. You're not going to get rich and you won't be able to leave your day job, but you will be able to go ahead and make up to a couple of £100 or dollars a month. It's completely free to get started, and not only will you make money, you also get to keep any of the books that you review. So if we just scroll down here, you can see there is a huge demand for reviewers to accept offers. Many of these now come with a payment in addition to the free book. So in other words, you're going to get a free copy of the book and you will also get paid to honestly review the book. Now this is pretty key here, and they've mentioned this up here as well. So many publishers and up-and-coming authors are willing to give you a free copy of their book in exchange for you writing an honest review of their book. So you're going to go ahead and read the book, you're going to leave them an honest review, and then you get to keep the book, but then you also get paid. Now, how much can you expect to get paid? It says here. Most payouts currently range between $5 and $60 per review. Now, like they've said, you're not going to get rich, but you can make a couple of $100 a month. Now, a couple of things to note on this. The first review you do, this one here, you see here, you will not be paid for your first review, but you will get the book for free. So it's kind of like a reputation thing and building up your feedback. So your first review you're not going to get paid for, but you're going to get your feedback improved, and then your next one you're going to do, you're then going to start building up your history of your reviews and building up your reputation as a book reviewer. So let's just show you some other stuff to do with this site here. So I've gone online and done some researches on them. Here is an online book club review. You can see here they're on Trustpilot. They're also on another site down here. They are on SiteJabber as well with ratings. And there's lots of other reviews on here about online book club review. I've seen them on a website called pantry.com, moneypantry.com, which is a pretty big site about making money online. Go over and show you their social profile. So this is the Facebook page. This here, so you can see they've got over coming up to 23,000 people who like the page and 24,000 people who follow them. Scroll down here, you can see, well, hang on, let me just grab this. They're pretty active on this page. They post every single day, normally between 3 and 4 posts a day on here. They're also on Twitter. They've got quite a large following on Twitter as well. So that is pretty much today's video. If you want to earn money online by doing book reviews, and also you get to keep the book, so if you want to earn money online by doing book reviews and keeping the books, then this is a really great way to do it. It's free to get started with. I'll drop links to all the social profiles on here so you can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, and then I'll drop links to the site here, the onlinebookclub.org. So that is today's video. Get paid to review books online. And then the final thing I want to mention to you is my new course has actually just been published on Udemy. So hopefully, I say it's been published, I got an email saying it's actually come through and it's gone up and live. Now what I've done is I've gone ahead and created a course on Udemy about real ways to make money from home. Now this course isn't going to cost you $200–300. I've put it on there at the price of £10. So I wanted to make this as accessible to anybody who wants to take an online course about making money from home. Overall, it's a 3-hour course and it's pretty in-depth, but I go through and I cover many different ways. So we've got public domain, we've got product and service arbitrage, how you can get started with zero. I've got an affiliate marketing section in here, and in here, you see here we've got a case study and results, and I walk you through a case study and show you exactly how much I earned and exactly how I did that, and how I earned this amount of money. It was probably in the space of about 30 minutes. And this goes through everything in detail. And then we've got some other stuff on here, simple to get started and passive income. So if you're looking for genuine ways to make money online, then this course may be of interest to you. And I've specifically put it up at this price so that it's accessible to everyone, because there's no point in putting up a course about making money online and charging people £300–400 for it, because most people haven't got that amount of money to go and lay out when they're trying to look at different ways to earn online. So I'll drop a link to this, and then like I say, I'll drop links to the online book club and also this form here where you can sign up and start applying to review books, and I shall see you tomorrow.